routine. But first,
This is a good idea because of the boys. No. I think this is the boys. That 1 year. There was 2 months.
we're almost cured.
Attention terrorists, we have sent to you 10 million the collector. All the way up, please, all the way forward.
Welcome, distinguished guests.
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
According to that, you're not Groot, you're a Flora Colossus.
Attention! Raise your hands now.
They know what they call me. Diamond Heading.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Harrowing remark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Right,
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! What? Of course I escape! A billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh, and look what I swiped. Now move it.
We do ask that you hold on to all loose articles such as hats, bags, glasses, and cell phones, and enjoy the rest of your tour.
My dear friends, the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, roll.
Please gather your belongings and watch your step.